An interesting problem from the chapter of equilibrium. Three gaseous equilibria have values of equilibrium constants as K1, K2 and K3 respectively. The following reactions are: A plus B is in equilibrium with C. The equilibrium constant here is K1. For B plus C is in equilibrium with P plus Q having equilibrium constant K2, and for A plus 2B is in equilibrium with P plus Q having equilibrium constant K3. Now it is asked what is the relationship between K1, K2 and K3. We have to find it out. First of all, we have to write down K1. It is the ratio of concentrations of the product divided by the reactants, that is equation 1. For K2, it is the product concentration is in the numerator, and in the denominator there will be the reactants concentration, that is second relation, and K3 is equals to the product concentrations divided by reactant concentration. Here 2 comes from here, from the stoichiometric relationship, as we know from the definition. That is third equation. Now we have to eliminate these terms from these three equations. Here the common terms are these two. So simply we will divide 2 by 3. What it comes? K2 by K3 is equals to P multiplied by Q divided by B multiplied by C concentrations into, for K3 that will be in the numerator, and in the denominator there will be P concentration multiplied by Q concentration. Simply these terms nullified, and one of the B term will be nullified. So this will be concentration of A divided by concentration of C, that is relation 4. So you can see here the here one B terms, here I have to write down it because one B term goes off and another will be here. So from 4 we will replace this term. This is nothing but 1 by K, 1, from equation 1. That will be K2. After cross multiplication, K2 multiplied by K1 equals to K3. That is the answer.